it's for here.
This is
For the water.
Robert and Elvie present for Bella's birthday a while ago, a long while ago. We didn't want to open her because she's going to throw everything through the veranda or the porch. So we decided to install it. So I'll have a quick look after once it's finished. Jam's pretty good for that. I won't have the patience, and I've been working too hard already. That's looking really good.
You need to put battery.
You like my love?
Will light up.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Wow. Wow, you got a whole kitchen. Thank you, Robert. Thank you, Elvie. Oh yeah, you gonna cook something now, my love? Wow. Uh-oh. You dropped the fry pan.
The little chef. The little chef. Hello, little chef.
Beautiful.
Wow, you're gonna cook like mommy.
Alright, see how long it's gonna last. Hey, good morning. Gorgeous day. First breakfast before working hard. Okay, we need to empty this veranda. A lot of stuff around. Yeah. Oh, look what Bella has cooked today with the little kitchen. Oh yeah, you need to have room. You wanna make room, my love? Oh yeah.
No.
You're gonna heat up your food. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, you gotta do fish. Okay, yeah. Okay, eat your breakfast. Okay, let's clean up around here first. All the valuable stuff will go inside the studio. It's got a locked door. Oh, I found something interesting. Look at this. The rear tire is flat as well. What's going on? This is weird. Wow. I don't know how this happened. Both tires at the same time. Strange. Did the dog have done that? What do you think, guys? Yeah, I was looking for this one to get the capacitor back in the fan. Interesting. How I could have missed it. Anyway. Oh, it's all bad news this morning, and this is sagging. Not strong enough. Or maybe I have to paint it because it's outside here. Yeah. Wow. Bigger job than I thought. Terrible. I should have painted before. I think I'm gonna throw them out and put this. This is much better. This is bloody cardboard. This is cardboard. That's what they put on the back of furniture. I know I was in the business. I shouldn't get up of bed today. A lot of wrong things happen. No, I just saw this landslide. And it's holding this thing. So this could be serious. I can't get up. I need to clean up all this. Wow. It did fall on my car. Yeah, all this fall on my car. And it's ready to give up again. You can see it's not what I'm going to do. Well, I reckon we need to go to the church. Wow. A lot of things goes wrong. And I lost my car keys too.
Oh, you misplaced it.
Flat tires. Oh, did you see this? It's so rotten. Talk about the shelving. Look. That's so empty. I'm going to replace that. Yeah, exactly. Strange, huh? Because it's outside, yeah.
The water.
This is only for indoor.
Yeah, no.
Okay, that's all right. So I should have known. Honestly. I mean, look at this. It's saggy, and yeah, I gotta throw it and put something better. We should have painted, but
you can put this.
yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. Yeah, put some plywood. Oh, I need to finish here. Yeah. It's just some screw missing. Look at Rocky. Rocky's cute like a mother.
His reaction always funny, like.
Little bit enough, just the two dog, huh?
Don't say that.
Tell you, give the other one away. Gongon wanted one, now he doesn't want anymore because it's too big.
It's okay. I'm the one feeding
So,
them.
what you gotta do?
What's this, Rocky?
I'm gonna bring this down. We're gonna need in the veranda, but first I need to fix this. But I need to tell Zaneko.
No, that's my flower.
He's telling his brother, "Don't touch too." Look.
Yeah. No. This, look. That's mommy. No touch.
He's cute.
Nice.
It's small like Lily.
Get it.
This sounds like his father.
Dala na makibo.
Oh. Where's the car keys?
I don't know. You were back from somewhere and then.
Maybe brought it back home somewhere because I can't find it here. See, I clean everything. Yeah, looking there already.
To be careful.
See, I clean everything.
If somebody can.
Nothing.
Found it, they can open the house.
Must be in the house somewhere.
Guys.
I have to get rid of that. Yeah, I come back to clear this after the weather cooler. Now it's so hot. Let's go back home. It's a beautiful lunch waiting for us. once again. Beautiful lunch in the veranda. Yeah. Well done, miss. Nice food. And she blends some fish and vegetable for Bella. Come on, my love. You need to eat now.
Let's eat, my love.
Let's eat, guys. I can't
Thank
wait.
you, God, for the blood.
What are you doing there?
Spicy.
I'm sure it's nice. I'm lucky. Yeah, time for a nap. In the meantime, oh, I got your fan, huh?
Which one?
You haven't started yet? Okay. Nice. Nice.
What's that?
Okay, I'll let you do whatever. I go to my digging.
No finish?
This is a studio floor, right? He's the boss.
My box.
Whoops. Whoops.
There's nothing there,
It's hot, huh?
guys.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna have a shower soon and have fun. They take advantage that the gate is open. Is it raining?
No.
Oh, I better finish that job before it rains. Doesn't look good. Okay, at least I can get the car out. But we need to go to Zaneco tomorrow and talk to them. This is getting dangerous. Thanks for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.